Guys, mount your camera and your tripod. You can use landscape mode, okay? Then after that, to walk into the scene, all you just need to do here is to just make a stand, all right? Stand for some few seconds or some few minutes. After that, now you just walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, click on CapCut there, then you click on new video now. Click on photos to import your background to workspace, okay? You want to go and look for aspect ratio, okay? Click on aspect ratio, then you click on 9.16. Then you mark on that good, you go back, you click on the background, expand it to cover your screen. After that, click on your video, that is the background, and drag it to the duration of your video. Then you come back. The next thing is to click on that arrow and look for overlay. Click on overlay here. Look at overlay, add overlay. Click on video again, guys. Then you import your video to workspace. Click on your video and click on volume, reduce it to 0. Then you mark on this good. Then you go back, okay? Let's locate where we want the video to start from. As we are walking in, click here and make a split, okay? Delete this first part. Click on your video, drag it to the beginning. Go and locate where you want your video to end, guys. Locate where you want it to end. Before you go out, you are making another split here, all right? Then you go now. Immediately you walk out, make another split and delete that last part. Click on this background to cover the video. Now you come back. As you come back now, click on your video, the second layer, and go and look for remove BG, okay? Click on remove BG, guys. Click on auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. But guys, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Guys, make sure you watch this video to the end so as not to be missing out on anything. If you have any CapCut tricks or magic effect you would like us to create together, drop it at the comment section. Welcome back to this video. It has removed completely. You mark on this good and go back. Locate this other part here, click it and click on remove BG as well. Allow it to remove. Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good and go back. Then you come back now, locate this point, click on this arrow here, mark on this arrow, click on add overlay, okay? Then you import this human touchlight, human on fire, import it, click on volume and reduce it to 0. Then you are going to mark on this good, then you go back. Let's locate where we want this human touch fire to start from. Locate where you want it to start from, okay? Immediately this light, before the light comes up, we are going to be making a split, okay? Make a split here. You delete this first part, click it and bring it to where you would like it to start from, okay? That is the next thing now. Just drag it, allow it to play. No, I think I will adjust it back a little bit. Then after that, it seems I'm okay with this place. Now click on splice, guys. Click on splice, then you click on filter. Mark on this good and go back. Now you are doing your necessary adjustment. Drag this human touch light, that means the woman on fire, to cover yourself. Adjust it, let it cover you completely. Adjust it to cover you. Do it to be okay. Look at it. So at this point now, what we are going to be doing is, come back. So come back, you mark anywhere and screenshot this part, okay? You are going to be screenshotting this very part. So do a screenshot now. As you do a screenshot, then you click on it, then you resize it. And after resizing it, crop yourself out completely. We just need the background. Mark on this done here, save to photo, click on overlay now, then photo, then import this background you just worked on, click it and expand it to cover the whole of the screen. After that, you go and look for layer. Let me tell you the next thing we are going to be doing. Locate layer, guys. Look for layer. You click on layer, click on that arrow there, mark on this good and go back. Then locate this your woman torchlight, click on it, click on layer again, then still click on this arrow, mark on that good and go back. This is what we have got. Okay, let's play it, let's see what we have got. This is nice. So at this point we are going to be going to the ending part of the video to go and work on it. All right, locate the ending part of the video so that we work on it before you walk out. So click this point now. We are going to be adding keyframe to the light layer. Okay, the Macintosh layer, we are going to be adding keyframe somewhere here. So add keyframe there now, add keyframe there, guys. So as you add keyframe here, you adjust it a little bit, click on splice now, click on splice, guys. Then you drag this line out completely to 0 point, you mark on that good and go back. Let us see what we have got. This is nice. The light is too long, you click it and make a split, then you trim this one, delete the light. Okay, no, this background I'm still going to be working on it. Click on this background, still drag it front a little bit. Okay, let me still drag it front a little bit. Okay, let us wash it, let us wash it. No, I don't like that going out, the way he goes out, I do not like it. So I'm going to be making a split here. Make a split at this point, guys. Then you expound this frame. As you expound it, now you watch it and see how it's going to be. I think this is a better fashion. This is fantastic. Then we are going to be playing it from the beginning now. So at this point, this video is ready. Remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After adding them, you can export your video to your gallery. Okay, but you can see what we have gotten. This is very fantastic. You can do this with just your smartphone and CapCut app inside your phone. You can start editing videos like this and start posting them in your social media handles, and before you know it, you are going to be monetized. So after this now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on export now to export this video to our gallery. So you click on export, allow this video to export completely. Okay, now this video have installed in your gallery, can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video, guys, so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you have any magic effect or CapCut tutorial you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorial. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next video.